This is my 1995 Suzuki Rm125 that I bought in a box, rebuilt, and then had the piston hit the intake port and blow up again. Rebuilt the entire motor, got new exhaust seals, full gasket kit, new shifter, new crap up here, rebuilt the carb, bogs out when you jump it but runs perfect on the ground. Don't know why it bogs in the air. If someone knows, let me know. Got the cylinder sent out, completely new cylinder. Running a 20-year-old spark plug in there right now, BR9ES, because it fouled out a BR8. When I put the BR9 in there, it started running better, but it still bogs out in the air. Just got it running like a week ago after it blew the top end after I built it before. So, yep. Let's get this thing started up, warmed up a little bit more, and take it out for a rip. Still need some jetting work. I got the idle in all the way right now. Yeah, so I need some jetting work. But I think it's running a little bit too rich on the pilot jet here. Because it's 50 degrees. It's funny, it had like a rev limit around there. I don't know why it's got to run that bad. Didn't like that. Bogging real weird on me. That wasn't cool. Yeah, I got like no gas. Empty. I believe these two are empty. Yep. I got fuel in here. I could do that. It's gonna take a minute to mix though. Well, it fouled out a spark plug here, so that's added to the collection of plugs that's fouled. I actually got really lucky and found a brand new plug in one of my drawers, which I was really surprised I had. So I can show you this bog. So take it for a little spin again, warm it back up, and we'll see how it goes. Fresh tank of gas. Right now it idles. Once it gets like really warmed up, it doesn't idle anymore. So I guess we'll see if we'll do that now with the plug. Take it a little lower RPMs again, make sure it's nice and warmed up. Then I can full throttle it. See, there's that bog. You know, I got not even like 2 inches off the ground and it bogged out on me. So now what it's doing there is it's getting fuel in the carb and slowly stopping it. But once you get in the air, it just goes right up into the motor and floods it right out and fouls the plug. So I've already fouled a plug doing that once. So I gotta do a little bit more pilot jetting, but otherwise main jet's pretty good. But yeah, see that smoke. But yeah, see, now it's running decent. Oh boy. Tad bit burnout. You hear that? It sounded like it hit like a limiter. It was like floating itself out there. But I can hear it very easily. It did just start to flood itself there. So I could probably try second gear. It does it better in second noggin. Just need a little bit more jetting work? I don't know. I don't have a front brake. wide open and the power bands are here. So I'm about to prove them wrong right here. I'm possibly watching us. You asked for it. See? There's that bob. There's that bob right there. You can hear it right there. This thing rich. The rear shock of this thing's a couch. I'm gonna need to retire soon enough. There was that bog again. Like, yo, right here, it runs good right here. It'll idle. Definitely gotta fix that clutch though. I can't grab my clutch easily. It also it'll flood out immediately if you get the front tire off the ground. Which I know obviously it'll flood when you wheelie, but like it's a carb. But still, immediately watch. Okay, didn't do it that time. God, I gotta get a front brake on this. Oh my God. Yep, this thing's a ripper. Holy dude, wasn't me. See how wet the back is. It's probably soaked. Oh yeah, that's wet. Brake. Oh, it's a mint. See, this thing's freaking mint, dude. Except when you get in the air. I've adjusted the float at least 50 times in every single spot possible, where it won't leak, where it will leak, where it won't even run because there's no gas in there for like main jet and pilot jet. And I can't figure out why it bogs in the air. If anyone knows, let me know, because I am lost. It runs good, idles good, fresh plug in there, full motor rebuild, new crank seals, all new seals all around the motor and gaskets. It gets 173 pounds compression at the top end. And yeah, it's got a fresh tank of gas. This isn't a problem, I don't think. I mean, it doesn't really get any air to the gas cap, so I'm gonna buy a new gas cap for it. But like, it works, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't really know. I took it to a shop and like an actual motorsports shop tuned it. And I mean, they didn't jump it, but when you jump it, it did it when they tuned it before I had to rebuild it. So, you know, I don't know what the problem is. But yeah, I don't even know. No clue. So again, if you see this and you know what the problem might be, let me know. Any ideas are helpful. I've taken the bowl off of that carb at least 100 times. So changed the main jets, I've jetted it. As you can see, it runs good now. Before it didn't. If you're seeing this, let me know in the description what you think I should do and what you think the problem might be. Especially if anyone else has experienced this before, let me know what you did. But yeah, so that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, leave a like down below in the video if you enjoyed, and peace.